We Bosch Digital Industries, we have worked with AWS BOX environment, and we have built the digital twins for complex turbo machineries. The Box ecosystem has bridged the gap with the customer's expectations and their digital vision. And whenever there's a gap, we played a role working with the partners available in Box so that the differences were minimized and the handshake happened very fast, not only in terms of the technology delivery, but also on realizing the vision of digital transformation. Working with AWS Box environment, what we have realized is there is a market and there's a gap in that market. And in that gap, we have a market to create innovation. And the coolest thing about the AWS Box environment is it simplifies the most complex situations, right? And we don't have to really think about how to build the Lego blocks. In fact, it gives an environment where you can put your thoughts and the results are out.